Okay, so this is my camera, my Sony HDR AS20, and it's one of the reasons I'm not recording anything for YouTube, because it's constantly out of focus, as you can see. So today what we are going to do is to try to fix this. Okay, so please subscribe, hit the like button, and let's try to repair this camera. Okay, so let's try to fix this. Let's remove the battery, and we can remove the card as well. Micro SD. Okay. I'm really not sure which bit I'm going to use. I think this is the smaller one. Oh no, this is not. It should be this one. So I'm going to use this one. It's it's PH000. Okay, let's unscrew these two bolts. One. Two. Okay. Remove this plastic trim. Now to push it, I'm not sure if I should have this open or not. Well, I guess it shouldn't make any difference, right? And this should come out, but I'm not sure where to pry or where to force it out. I don't want to actually push the lens, so I'll try to push it like this. I don't think there's anything else that I should push or do, so I think it's just a matter of pushing it a little bit harder. Well, I'll try to force the lens a little bit. Yeah, it's forcing the lens. It's immediate. Okay. So now let's see if this actually turns on without the actual case. I think it's like this, right? I'm not sure. like this. It's okay. It's like this. Let's see if it turns on. Okay, it does. Okay, it's giving me a media error. Not sure if the maybe the card is not correctly inserted. Okay. SD cards should be like this, right? So okay. So it turns on, it recognizes the card. Everything should be okay. So now I'll just try to show you a different angle, because I will have to use, now I'm recording with my phone and I will have to use my phone to see if I can focus the camera or not. Okay, give me a second. Okay, sorry for the low resolution, but this is what I have at the moment. Okay. Oh, don't look at my Wi-Fi. So let me turn this on again. I don't need this. I need these two. Actually, go to the setup. Okay, so at this point I just lost some footage because this button was not fully engaged, and as such this camera was not recording as it should. Okay, but what you've missed was the connection of the action cam to the phone, and probably you know how to do this. I just used that to have some guidance if the camera was in focus or out of focus. And the other thing that you've missed was the initial tuning. So I just turned the lens clockwise or anti-clockwise, I'm not sure, to get it to focus a little bit. Then afterwards you see the actual image from this camera. You'll see it later in the video when I use the reference of the recording just to fine tune it. But it's the same procedure. Is that just that initially it was so much out of focus that I just kept turning it, and it was getting in focus all the time. Then afterwards you have to fine tune it a little bit, clockwise or anti-clockwise. You have to mess around with it, but that part you will see. Okay, thank you. Let me see if I can focus the rec. Yeah, so out, in, and now it starts to go out of focus, I guess. Yeah. So I guess this is the best I can do. So you just turn this clockwise or anti-clockwise. I got it to focus as much as I could, and now I'm going to close it again. Okay, so I'll stop filming. Okay, so let's do the reverse, right? Let's open this up. I don't think I need to remove the memory card, but okay, let's do it again. Let's remove the battery so that we don't short anything. Now, the case, just slide it in. I'm feeling a little bit of resistance. I'm not sure where, but just try to press it. Yeah, okay. It seems like there's some plastic tabs that hold this together, so that's probably it. Now, putting this back, just so it should be like this. Not sure where this comes from. It's in here, okay. Okay, this should be in here. And maybe I can just add it afterwards. Okay. Probably not, because it will be the pressure of the actual screws that will keep this in place. So okay, that should be in. This is held together by the pressure. That's it. Okay, I'd say that it's a job done, but let's see. Okay guys, thank you very much. Please hit like, subscribe, do all the things. Let's see if I can get more content with the action cam actually working. Thank you. Bye bye.